Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is computer history and generation. Today we will learn about the computer history. Like we human beings, computer also having its history, that how it starts, and earlier what was the requirement to start the computer, what the people are facing, any what problems are faced by the people are facing the problem. They are not easily doing the calculation. They use finger, toes, stones, sticks and bones to do the calculation. To solving this problem, what the concept comes, that first calculating device was invented, that was abacus. First calculating device invent hua, that's purpose was to do the calculation. Here it is, it's an abacus. That was the first calculating device and invented by the Chinese 5000 years ago, when the time of that people use the toes, stones and the sticks to do any kind of calculation. But there was a thing in that we just do the simple calculation, that was addition and subtraction. Later on, by adding some of the more features, the device which comes, that was the Nipper's bones. What was in that? That was made by John Nipper, and in 1617 he made that Nipper's bone. In that also we just do the simple calculations, that was addition, subtraction and multiplication of the numbers. But slowly some of the improvements are also adding in that. Then we just do the division as well as the square root also in that. After that, by adding some of the more features, one another mathematician, that was the Blaise Pascal, in 1642 he invented first mechanical computing machine known as the Pascaline. Who invented that? Blaise Pascal. इसमें क्या थे? That was the first mechanical computing. That means जो mechanically चलती थी. इसमें क्या होते थे? Gears होते थे. Gears are there, and things which we can do in that was also addition, subtraction, multiplication and then dividing the number very easily. After that, Pascaline, another device came, that was our, ये हमारा कौन सा डिवाइस था? कैलकुलेटिंग मशीन नेम्ड स्टेप reckoner. That was, what was in that? In step reckoner, what we can do, we do all the things, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Earlier also ऐसा हो रहा था, देखो हम लोग एडिशन भी कर रहे थे, सब्सट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. बट नाउ द टाइम, लाइक अभी भी हम वो वाली चीजें कर रहे हैं, बट इट टेक्स वेरी लेस टाइम. दैट मीन्स न्यू ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजीज आर कमिंग इन दैट. टाइम का हमारा जो कंज्यूमिंग है, वो वाला प्रोसेस में हर बार कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट होके आ रहा है. एंड who developed it in 1692, our German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm. उन्होंने क्या किया था? ये इन्वेंट किया था, that is our step reckoner. Okay, after that, by adding some of the new things in that, some more facilities in that, our father of the computer came in the existing, whom in which year? In 1822. Our mathematician professor of Cambridge University, इंग्लैंड के जो हमारे प्रोफेसर थे, चार्ल्स बैबेज, इन्होंने एक मशीन इन्वेंट की. ही डेवलप द मशीन, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिफेंस इंजन. इट कुड परफॉर्म मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन ऑटोमेटिकली. ये क्या करता था? मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन को ऑटोमेटिकली परफॉर्म कर देता था. डेट वाज द बेस्ट मशीन, बट हैविंग सम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स इन दैट ऑल्सो. उन्होंने क्या किया? He made some another better idea after adding that more of the things in 1833. After 10 years ago, he make one another engine, that was analytical engine. Earlier the first engine was defense engine. Then he do some of the more things in that, some of the better ideas he put in that, and then he made another engine, that was analytical engine. After that, it what was in that analytical engine? five key features are there, five best features are there: input device, storage device, processor, and control unit, and output devices are there. All these five features are found in today's modern computer also, आज के हमारे कंप्यूटर में भी ये अवेलेबल है. That's why we are calling that Charles Babbage is also known as the father of the computer. Now another one is our tabulating machine. After that, our what was that engine? Analytical engine, the engine which comes in the existing, that is the tabulating machine. What is the purpose of that tabulating machine and who invented it? It comes in the existence in 1890, and Herman Hollerith, engineer जो हमारे थे army engineer, he invented the tabulating machine. The tabulating machine was used in Kansas. What is the purpose of that? To count the population in US, and that was quickly counted by them. Okay. And who became after that, the company who made it now, it became a very popular. The name of that company is International Business Machine, IBM. Even today also we know that that company is a very big and very popular company. Today also that IBM is in existence. Okay. After that, what comes? Our first electromechanical computer comes in the existence, that is our Mark 1. In which year? In 1944, Mark 1 comes in the existence. By whom? By the Professor Howard Aiken. He invented that, and the name of that first electronic machine is Mark 1. Size was 51 feet long and weight was 5 ton. After that machine, which machine comes? The first electronic computer comes in the existence. That was ENIAC and UNIVAC. That was made by the John Mauchly and the John Presperaker. Together they built this first successful electronic digital computer. And if someone is going to ask from you that what is the name of the first successful electronic digital computer, then it's a ENIAC. And what is the full form of that ENIAC? Electronic numerical integrator and computer. In 1946 it came in the existence, and after that in 1951, by doing some of the improvements in that machine, same these two together built another machine, that is the UNIVAC, and the name of that is Universal Automatic Computer, that works very fastly. And the first commercial computer delivered to the business clients to do the work, that was our use Kenneth Brave. Okay. In 1951. Here is our PC. On that we are working nowadays also. A little bit our that appearance changed. Like earlier computers are like very monitors are very big, like television जो हम पहले television use करते थे वैसे होते थे. But nowadays size becomes very very थिनर. अभी बहुत पतला सा साइज हो गया उसका. कंप्यूटर हैज बिकेम अ लॉन्ग वे सिंस देन. 1980 से 81 से हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. एंड हु इंट्रोड्यूस द फर्स्ट पीसी? IBM. दैट इज आवर इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस मशीन, द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी who introduced our first computer, that is PC, in 1984. And they just introduced the advanced version of the PC, and the name of that is PC-80. That is the advanced technology, personal computer advanced technology. Nowadays also we are using this, and now lots of varieties are coming in this, like desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet computer. Even we are having all the features in our smartphone also nowadays. This is for today. These are the different computers, we can say that different devices, even for from starting which came in the existence. This is the history of the computer. In our next part we are going to learn about the generations of the computer, that is that in which year to till which year what type of computers are come in the existence. Thank you and have a nice day.